All right, so we just told you the massive Indigo mess that's unfolding right here in front of us across the country. But just minutes ago, we've got a statement from Indigo. Let's put that breaking on our screens as well. It goes on to say to each one of our customers, we are truly sorry and we will take care. We do deeply apologize and understand how difficult the past few days have been for many of you. While this will not get resolved overnight, we assure you that we will do everything in our capacity to help you in the meantime and bring our operations back to normal at the earliest. Now, they are, clearly saying that this will not be resolved overnight. That means this will keep trickling in for the coming days as well. Importantly, the statement goes on to say that we wish to share that we will ensure all refunds. And this is for everybody over here and for people watching as well. Indigo in its statement now saying that we will ensure that all refunds for your cancellations will be processed automatically to your original mode of payment. They also say that we will offer full waiver on all cancellations, reschedule requests of your bookings for travel between 5th of December to 15th of December. Now, what does this tell you? This tells you that they are expecting this crisis to go on at least till 15th of December. That's the big breaking news at this hour. Indigo in its statement admitting that they will be looking at full waiver of cancellations, rescheduling that will take place between 5th of December to 15th of December. Also saying thousands of hotel rooms across city surface transport have been arranged. They also say that we will try and provide food and snacks to customers at the airport. I have some here with me. I just got a statement from Indigo which says that they will be doing a full cancellation refund automatically to your source of payment. They also say that they will try and provide support in terms of getting you food and getting you some accommodation. Has any of that happened?
When I went to the counter to get that rescheduled, they told us there will be no accommodation provided and they're not responsible for any of it.
They told you that? The Indigo staff said that?
When I rescheduled my flight was today and it is rescheduled to Monday, and they're not sure if that rescheduled flight is going to fly on Monday or not. Until then, they have not specifically told us about the food, but the accommodation, when I asked, they told we are not responsible and we have to stay on our own. We have to bear the charges, and again Monday we have to get back to the flight. And we are not sure if we are going to fly back home, at least that time or not.
Gosh, how long have you been here?
I've been here since morning. I came here at 10 a.m. and till now, just half an hour ago, I got my flight rescheduled. And I'm just hoping, I just want to go back home at least on Monday because I have my exams going on. I need to be there as well.
Yeah. I see lots of lovely medals around you. What championship was this?
I had come for a Karate National Championship to represent my Karnataka state here. And I won gold, 2 silver and bronze medal. But unfortunately, I'm not able to go back home and show my medals to my parents, my family members and my coaches. So I just want to go back home fast and I want to celebrate this moment with them.
What a day for you. So many medals, but no way to celebrate because you're stuck here. Yeah, we really feel for you and we really hope that people out there who are listening are sort of bringing in some sort of sharing in some sort of joy that you are, and we really hope you're able to go back home soon. I also have with me another student. You also had an exam. Tell us.
I have an exam tomorrow of banking, RIB clerk. So I'm staying here only. So in Bangalore, I have an exam tomorrow, and this has happened now.
So now, how will you appear for the examination?
Don't know. No option at all.
You're going to end up missing it now.
Yeah. That's all.
And Indigo here says in a statement, I saw all of you guys standing in queues to try and get, it says there will be a refund. Does this statement give you any confidence into how the airline is working?
I think they will give or not. This or not matter for me. Now time it only matters I will not give my exam.
Too late. It's already, the damage has already been done. We have some reporters joining us as well. We've got Anirban Roy joining us from Kolkata. We've got Devesh joining us from Mumbai, Anaga from Chennai, Asim from Chandigarh and Nagarjun from Bangalore. Let me quickly cut across to Anirban as well and try and get an update on what's happening in Kolkata. Anirban, you heard the Indigo statement. Has that reached the passengers at all? Is there some sense of respite? And importantly, those who are stuck there, knowing that this chaos will continue till the 15th of December, what's their reaction?
Well, see, there is the mixed reaction, and right now, what anxiety and anger is cooking up in the Kolkata airport, in Kolkata International Airport. We have joined by few of the passengers. Those flights were cancelled. Sir, where are you from, and since how long you are waiting here?
Yeah, we are from Hyderabad, but we are coming from the trip of Vietnam. Yeah, since morning 11 o'clock we are waiting from here. The flight is cancelled. They have not told the status of the flight in the beginning itself. They said it is delayed. Then they said it got cancelled. Nobody is responsible.
So there is a statement from Indigo as well that they will provide the whole refund of the ticket as well as the food and the hotels itself. So does they provided you already?
No, they only promised to refund the actual amount paid towards the ticket. They did not provide any hotel accommodation. They have provided only the small snacks. I was told that with the compulsion of our airport minister, Mr. Rammurthy Naidu, they have given that.
Have you asked for the accommodation or anything else?
Yes, we have asked. Nobody is responsible. No, everybody is responsible. They are not answering anything at all. They are not cooperating. They say that
The communication is clear.
No. What communication is clear? No communication is clear. They never told us that the flights are cancelled. They never told us that this is the situation. And after only coming to Calcutta airport from Vietnam, in the morning from 11 o'clock we are waiting to see what is going to happen. Whether we are going to get any flight or whether they are going to provide us with any other flights tomorrow, accommodation, anything.
Well, so there are a lot of families like these, those who are going for checkup in Hyderabad as well as in Bangalore itself. But right now, the ticket price is much higher and they are suffering from this. I will ask a few of them, where are you from and is the flight is delayed or got cancelled?
नहीं फ्लाइट एक्चुअली कैंसिल हो चुका है और हम लोग जा रहे थे डिब्रूगढ़
So for what purpose is already the Indigo has provided one advisory, one statement where they said that they will provide food, they will provide hotels, they will provide vehicles as well.
नहीं उन्होंने कुछ अभी तक प्रोवाइड नहीं किया है कुछ भी प्रोवाइड नहीं किया है और कुछ इनका सिस्टमेटिक भी नहीं है बहुत चलिए मेरे साथ
Well, so you can see Sonal here. Also, the ruckus is there, the chaos is there. It's not like an airport. It is looking like a bus stand or a railway station with a chaotic situation. Over to you, Sonal.